好了，嗯。哎，我要让他看一下，咱这确实是咱这微波。It's a pipe for expelling the moisture. It's an alarm. When the temperature is too high, it will alarm and stop automatic. It's the belt. The speed of the belt can be controlled. Just now the peanut it goes in, the fresh peanut, the raw peanut. This is the windows, the showing windows. During working, you cannot open the windows because there are also switches. If you open the windows, the belt and the valve generator will stop automatic. This is a 15 kilowatt, and here is the monitor and the touching screen control. With the ammeter and temperature controller and the showing light. And later now the temperature for the peanut is 130 just now. It's coming down very fast. For the monitor, we find that the peanut is out, so we are waiting here. It's out. So most of the peanuts split. It's out. The red skin is out. If we touch it, it's a little hot, not very hot, but little. Yeah, it's crispy. It's crispy already. Let's see. Let me taste one.